Welcome everyone. Question on chemical bonding. The bond order and magnetic properties of the Li2 molecule are choices are A. 2 diamagnetic, B. 2 paramagnetic, C. 1 diamagnetic, D. 1 paramagnetic. Answer is C. 1 diamagnetic. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The valence shell electron configuration of the lithium atom is 2s1. Li2 molecule contains 1 lithium atom plus 1 lithium atom. So the Li2 molecule has 1 for 1 lithium atom plus 1 for 1 lithium atom is equal to 2 electrons in its valence shell. The molecular orbital configuration of the Li2 molecule is sigma 2s bonding 2, sigma 2s antibonding 0. Therefore, the total number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbitals, that is Nb, is equal to 2, and the total number of electrons in the antibonding molecular orbitals, that is Na, is equal to 0. We know that bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Now we put the values of Nb and Na in this equation. Therefore, the bond order is equal to 2, which is the value of Nb, minus 0, which is the value of Na, by 2, or bond order is equal to 1. So the bond order of the Li2 molecule is 1. Since the Li2 molecule has no unpaired electron, it is diamagnetic. Thank you for watching this video.